this. So we have f of x equals that, where x belongs to all real numbers, and we are to determine the domain of f of x, and we have the options here. So you can pause the video, then choose your answer. Okay. All right. So how do we find the domain of this? So 1 on x times square root of x plus 2. So we have two things to do here. Now, if this side were to be x, okay, we have say the domain of this one will be x belongs to all real numbers, okay, except x is not equal to 0. Or we can say x can never be 0, because if x equal to 0, this one will be undefined. So let's take from that perspective that in case this side were to be, let's say, f of x equals 1 over x, okay, the domain of this one will be x belongs to all real numbers, but x can never be 0. So that is one form of the question. And if it were to be 1 on square root of x plus 2, let's observe this one carefully. Now we all know that taking square root of a negative number, okay, will make this undefined. So let's say we have minus 1, 0. So this side will be negative. So this side will be positive. 2, 3, 4. So if I take square root of any negative number, that will be math error. Okay. And because this one is a fraction, this side can never be 0. Now, if I take square root of 0, okay, I'll get 0. And this side will be undefined. It means this can take values from 1 up to infinity. Okay. So we have x plus 2 here. So taking values from 1 up to infinity, the range, okay, this is how it's supposed to be. X should be greater than 0. X is greater than 0 means x is taking values from 1 up to infinity. So to take the domain or state domain of this, you will say x plus 2 must be greater than 0, telling us that 0 shouldn't be part of the numbers or the range. Okay, so from here x is greater than minus 2. Now x is greater than minus 2. Let's see if indeed it will fit this one. Okay, so anything more than minus 2 will be negative 1. Okay, now 0. So now if I put negative 1 here, this side will be 1. Then the next one will be 0. If I put 0 here, this side will be 2, which will be defined. Okay, so combining this and that, we can therefore state that the domain of this is x belongs to all real numbers. So x is greater than minus 2, and also x can never be 0. So the right answer is D. Okay, that's the right answer. So follow for more tips.